Good morning, dear students. Welcome to a new online session of Standard 6th Subject English. Today, we will begin learning with a new chapter. But before that, I want all of you to look at the above pictures. Tell me, students, if you are not well, then what do you do? Obviously, yes. You pay a visit to the doctor and the doctor examines you and gives you appropriate medicines. Thus, students, the doctor is the person who saves us and our life from illness, isn't it? But, students, among all the doctors, the greatest are the surgeons. Surgeons are the people or the doctors that perform operations or big surgeries. Today, in this new chapter, we are going to study about the first surgeon. So, students, are you ready to hear the story of him? So, the first person who had done surgery was Sushruta. Sushruta is the first cosmetic surgeon of India. He was the first person who had done operation or surgery on people as well as on animals. So, students, around 2000 BCE, Sushruta was the first surgeon who had performed cataract and a plastic surgery. Students, at that time, Sushruta did not have any advanced tools or medical equipments with him. But even in those situations at that time, he began with the work of performing difficult surgeries. Thus, Sushruta is also known as the father of surgery. Today, in this chapter, we are going to study about a life incident of Sushruta when he was studying regarding surgery. So, students, let us begin by reading the chapter. Chapter number 3.4, Sushruta, A Peep into the Past, Part 1. Sushruta was indeed a bright student of veterinary medicine. His teacher, Shalihotra, once decided to test him. He asked Sushruta what all he would need to perform a surgery on a wonderful horse. Sushruta very quickly listed down all the instruments and the medicines that would be needed. So, students, this is the incident when Sushruta was a student. He was a bright and an intelligent student. He was studying about the veterinary medicines under the guidance of his teacher named Shalihotra. Thus, Shalihotra was Sushruta's teacher who had given him the knowledge about surgery. So, students, Sushruta was taking the studies about veterinary medicines. But do you know, students, what is the meaning of veterinary? I will tell you. Veterinary means related to the treatment or surgery of animals. Thus, Sushruta was studying about the treatment of medicines given to animals. One day, Shalihotra, that is Sushruta's teacher, decided to take a test of Sushruta. As a part of the test, Shalihotra asked Sushruta that he has to tell all the things that are needed to perform a surgery on a wonderful horse. Soon after listening to the question of the teacher, Sushruta quickly gave his answer. As he was a bright student, he did not take much time to answer it. Within no time, Sushruta quickly listed down all the instruments and the medicines that would be needed to perform a surgery on the horse. When Shalihotra, that is Sushruta's teacher, heard the answer of Sushruta, he said further that three things are missing. Shalihotra said. Confused Sushruta looked at him. I will give you a week to find them, Shalihotra consoled. Curious to find out what those three things were, Sushruta observed his teacher carefully for the next 1 week. So, students, when Sushruta listed down all the instruments and the medicines required for surgery on horse, his teacher Shalihotra said that from all these things, three things are missing. When Shalihotra said about those three things being missing, Sushruta got confused and he looked at his teacher. Sushruta was unable to understand or to find out about those three missing things. Thus, Shalihotra decided to give some time to Sushruta to find out about those three missing things. So, Shalihotra told Sushruta that he has decided to give him a time of 7 days, that is 1 week, to find out about those three missing things. After listening to the words of his teacher, Sushruta became very curious and eager to find out about those three things which he had missed to say, which are needed to perform a surgery. In order to find out about these three things, Sushruta began to observe his teacher very carefully for the coming next 1 week. It means he was carefully observing all the activities of his teacher and noting down the things which were needed or important in his work. Students, now let us continue reading with the further part of the chapter to find out what happened next. Before operating the horse, Shalihotra observed every part of the horse, and then Sushruta found the first missing thing. A good veterinarian should have an eagle's eye. Then Shalihotra treated the animal as if it were his own, balancing science and compassion equally. And lo, Sushruta found his second rule. A good veterinarian should have a lion's heart. Shalihotra helped the horse recover after the surgery. Sushruta came to know that a good veterinarian should have a mother's touch too. Later in his life, Sushruta wrote a book on surgery. So, students, in order to find out about the three important things which were missing while performing surgery, Sushruta decided to keep close watch on his teacher Shalihotra. Finally, the day had come when Shalihotra was going to perform a surgery on the horse. So, Sushruta also went there to observe Shalihotra performing the surgery. Sushruta saw that before operating the horse, Shalihotra had observed closely each and every part of the horse. From this activity of Shalihotra, Sushruta found out the first missing thing. The first thing was that a good veterinarian should always have an eagle's eye. Dear students, eagle's eye means one should have a complete or a close watch over its patient or the one to whom he is going to operate. Then Shalihotra began with his surgery. While performing the surgery, Shalihotra treated the horse as it was his own animal. Shalihotra had properly created a balance between science and compassion. Seeing this activity of Shalihotra, Sushruta found out the second rule. The second rule was that a good veterinarian should always have a lion's heart. Students, having a lion's heart means one should be brave as a lion and should never get scared in any situation. Students, you all know that performing surgery involves lot of risk, but a good surgeon should be brave enough like a lion and should not get scared of performing these surgeries. Soon the surgery was completed. After the surgery, Shalihotra helped the horse to recover or get well soon. From this activity, Sushruta came to know about the third missing thing or the third rule. The third rule was that a good veterinarian should always have a mother's touch as well. Students, mother's touch means the doctor, the surgeon, or the veterinarian should be caring towards its patient just like a mother is always loving and caring for its children. A doctor should be caring towards its patients to recover soon. Thus, these were the three important rules or the principles that Sushruta learned regarding surgery. Using these principles in his life, Sushruta performed many of these surgeries and further became the father of surgery. Also, later on in his life, Sushruta wrote his own book on the topic of surgery. From his book, a lot of information or knowledge regarding surgery can be obtained. So, students, this was about Sushruta who got or who explained to us the three important rules or the principles that a good veterinarian or a good surgeon must have in him. These three rules are: the veterinarian should have eagle's eye, a lion's heart, and also have a mother's touch. Students, I hope you all have understood the first part of this chapter. We shall study part 2 of this chapter in the next session. Till then, thank you.